Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP DESKJET 2710. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This printer is a wireless printer. To connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, what you need to do is you need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together. The printer will start flash. You can see the printer is now flashing. Then you release it. Okay, what that means is that this printer now is in a wireless mode. And once you've done that, it will print out. If you have the paper, it will print out information. So what it's going to do now is going to print the wireless information. Okay, so now this is the information, Wi-Fi direct information for this printer information page. Okay, now what we need to do is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. We need to download HP Smart App. We want to use computer to do this, so download HP Smart App on your laptop. Okay, you get this HP Smart App from the Microsoft Store or Google Store or Google Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, so type HP Smart App. It's already downloaded on my laptop. Open it up. So this is HP Smart App. Okay, and now the next thing to do, you need to select add a printer from the side. You need to select add from here. Select add, and when you select add, it will start to look for available printer, and you can see it found HP DESKJET 2710 series. Select. Now time to connect and set up and manage your printer. So select continue. The next, it will tell you about Wi-Fi. So you picked up the Wi-Fi network that is available, so you select continue or no thank you. I like to, if you select continue, it will try to access the network automatically, but sometimes it might do mistake with this. I like to select no thank you. This will allow you to put the password, so we need to enter Wi-Fi password. I have the information here. Sometimes I receive question, how do you get this Wi-Fi password? You get the Wi-Fi password from the back of your net, from your router, okay, broadband router. The same Wi-Fi password you use for your mobile phone is the same you need. Okay, and also I want to mention that this password is case sensitive, so you need to make sure you put, if it asks you to put capital letter, put capital letter. If it asks you to put small letter, then make sure you do the same thing. And also while you are putting this, you can also select I sign for you to see the information you are putting. So I'm going to put a password for this. So when you put the password finish, like I said, check the information you put. If you're happy with it, okay, I'm happy with it. The next we need to do is you need to select connect, and printer is found. So printer is found. Configuring the printer. Press and release the flashing information button on your printer. After release, please wait. Okay, so this is flashing information button. Press it and release it. Printer configured. So the next is joining the network. network. Here we go, printer connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue our guide setup. Okay, so select continue. Getting printer driver information. This might take a few minutes. Here we go. So once you see this app, you just need to select launch app, finding the printer. Here we go. HP DESKJET 2710 series all in one is available and ready. Okay, and this is exactly how it works. And if you look on the printer, you can see the Wi-Fi light is no longer flashing, it's a steady light. And this printer now is set and ready for you to scan, copy, and print. So if you want to print any document, what you need to do is you need to go to your file and print document. But if you look here now, you will see that this HP DESKJET 2710 series is ready. This is exactly how to connect your printer to Wi-Fi network. I want to show you how to add HP DESKJET 2710 to your mobile device to be able to print or scan. This printer is connected to the laptop, okay, using HP Smart App. What you need to do is you need to go to your mobile phone, go to Play Store and download HP Smart App. So go to Play Store, okay, and type HP Smart App. This app is already downloaded on my phone. Click it open. So it's just updating. It's installing the HP Smart App. Now select open. This is HP Smart App. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you need to select plus. Okay, to add this printer, you need to go on top and select plus. Now it will ask you choose the type of printer to add to Smart App. Okay, you set up a new printer or add a printer that is already on the network. So we need to select add a printer already on the network. Okay, and they will start to look for available printer. Okay, so you select HP DESKJET 2710 is available. Select on it, and you can see it's telling us now the cartridge is low, but this printer is available. So with this now you can do so many things. So this is how to add this to your mobile phone. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe.